Okay, hi guys, we're back with another video. So now this video is about proportions. So as you guys remember that we already learned about ratio. So proportion is the advance of the ratios. So what it means by proportion is it is said to be two ratios are equal. So get that in your head first, huh? So two ratios that are equal. Okay, now for example, okay, I'm going to give you a very simple example. Now let's see here. In this box, okay, I have one red circle, and in the other box here I have two red circles, and I'm going to add another. So I have two blue circles here, and I have four blue circles here. Okay, so in fraction form, you know, in fraction form, this one is 1. Okay, you compare 1 to the red to the blue, so 1 ratio 1 out of the total, 1 out of the total, so 1 out of 3. So now let's say this one, the red one, is 2 out of 6. Okay, so 1 out of 3 and 2 out of 6. So basically 1 out of 3 and 2 out of 6 are equal. Okay, so the ratios are same. The ratio are the same. So this is what we call proportion. Okay, this is what we call proportion. If you notice, this is quite similar to what we call equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction is very similar. So if you hear about proportion, it is actually the same meaning as equivalent fraction. Now to put it into context, okay, let's make it a little bit more clear by using an example. Now this question is the ratio of making a concrete. Okay, making a concrete. So to make a concrete, you would need cement, sand, and stone. So the basic ratio is you need 1 part of cement, 2 part of sands, and 6 part of stones. Now if you look at the question, this is for the ratio needed. Okay, but suddenly you have 12 stones, 12 part of stones. So since we are talking about proportion, so 6 to 12 is actually double, so you times 2. Since the stone is double, so everything else should be double up. Okay, everything else should be double up. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the ratio that is proportional to the ratio first one here, the first one up here. Okay, to the first one. So now this is the example of concrete. If let's say another example, if we use, okay, this would be more familiar to you guys. Okay, now this is a recipe to make lemon juice. Okay, lemon juice. So for you to make lemon juice, you will need 115 caster sugar, 300 ml water, and 3 lemons. Now these ingredients can make to serve 6 people. Okay, to serve 6 people. Now my question is, if you want to serve 12 people, how much lemons do you need? Okay, how many lemons you need. Okay, so now let's see here. So my question was for 12 people, but your recipe is for 6. Okay, your recipe is for 6. So it is actually double. So let's see, 3 lemons is needed to make 6 serving. Alright, so now you want to make the serving to 12 people. Alright, so you actually double the value. So the lemons also, you double the value by multiplying 2. So you will get here 2 times 3 is 6. So your answer is 6 lemons. Do not write in ratio form because it's asking only for lemons. Okay, is that clear? Alright, now using the same question, let's just see another one. Using the same question, now I don't want to use the lemon. Okay, now let's say if it asks you, Ali uses 900 ml of water. Okay, 900 ml of water. How many person is he serving? Alright, you look at water, you look at the number of serving. Okay, you know that for 300 ml you can make for 6 person, 6 packs. Okay, so if you have 900 ml, so how did you get from 300 to 900? So just by looking at the front number 3 and 9, you multiply by 3. So same goes for the packs, you multiply by 3. So 6 times 3 is 18 packs. So your answer should be, how many person is he serving? So answer is 18. So that is how you use your proportion. I know it's a lot to digest, but let's try to answer the worksheet, and let's see which part that you don't understand and you need more clarification. But I would like to remind you, try to compare the things that you need. Let's say for water, the question asks for water and the how many person is serving. So it's the serve and also the water. It can come in many kinds of way. It can be about lemons and castor sugar. It can be a lemon with how many servings. It can come in many ways. Okay, so this is all for now. Let's try doing your worksheet, and if you need any help, do let me know. Alright, okay, thank you everyone. All the best for the worksheet.